Hello, good day, my lovelies. It's your girl Naza, Naza, and right now you are just about to digest Naza. So, my people, what's up? What's popping? See me, these lashes. Abeg, look at your girl. Look at me. Looking beautiful as usual. If you're seeing me for the first time, you're welcome to my community. This is Digest Naza Space, and you're about to digest me. We have lots of vlogs. We have a playlist. You can watch our uploads on our playlist. If you're seeing me for the first time, or if you've been seeing me but you've not had it in mind to click on that red subscribe button, just look at this, my beautiful face. And because of me, and because of God, or because of anything you hold dear, please click on that red subscribe button. You can share this link to your friends, families, loved ones, anybody and everybody. You can share your WhatsApp status to support me, and I'll be so grateful. So guys, you're not going to go for a very long walk. Now we're going to dig into what you came for. Yes, please, this vlog is rated 18 plus, and let me put it out there. This vlog, don't see me outside and tease me about this, because I know that some of the coconut heads that I know will come like, Naza, I saw what you did there. Please, leave me alone. So you guys, it's about to go down, and our title has given it all away. If you have partner, say hello. Let's start from there. Don't lie, because you're not lying to me. I have partner. See him behind me. Don't lie. If you have partner, just start. Let me see your hi in my comment box below. If you have partner, if you don't have, say hello. If you have, say hi. So I will know where I will help you people from. But for people that have partners, how do you keep your bedroom activities? Yeah, we'll be calling it, okay, well, let's give it a name. Our sweet activity. What name are we going to give sex now? Our sweet encounter, sweet activity, jolly. Okay, let's call it our jolly. When you hear jolly, know that I'm talking about sex. Okay, so you guys, how do you keep this on? So I'm going to start with people that have had partners for like a year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, 15, 20, and everything is just boring. Una just daily, nothing to how to spice up. This is all about how to spice it up, nothing to shake it up, nothing spices it up, just nothing. So now these tips, try it out. If you've tried it out, try more. Yes, that's the scope. So as I was saying, if we are to start from people that have been with their partner for so long, and I mean partner, he can be your husband, your fiance, your clinical, I'm sure calling all of them partner. How do you even get in the mood for your jolly? How? Or you just come back from work, he no bath, kiniko on the bed, one. Maybe that smells off, or in the midnight, that's like, oh yeah, let's get on, and that's it. Waiting, kilo day or guinea. No. When you have a partner and both of you have stayed long in a relationship, people don't find interest to do spectacular things. Everything is just routine. Don't make your jolly life a routine. It cannot be a routine. It cannot just be how you sleep, wake up, you prepare the kids for school, or you have to go to work. No, you have to prepare for it. you have to prepare your mind, your body, and you shouldn't always be on the bed. I'm already going to the next level. My head is choke. So if per se you come back from work with your partner and you know that from work first, you can send him those text messages, like those sweet and interesting text messages. Yes, I said it. You heard it from me. Send it to him, like get him interested even before you people come back from work. Don't allow him to just go back from work and pounce on you. Get him in, like spike his brain up. You know, our partners most times they like, this goes for both male or both female, but I'm talking from a woman's perspective, you get? So if you're a guy and you're watching this vlog, you can also change this to you. You can send your wife, your babe, or your partner those thirsty texts. Yes, the person is your partner, so you can send anything. I believe that your partner you should not hide anything. You cannot be thirsty for your partner. Like, I call it thirsty text, but for your partner is not thirsty, else you are sending it to other females, then that is being thirsty. But for your partner it's not thirsty, so just send those enticing texts. Even if you people are 20 years together, send it to him. Snap. Oh God, please, my church members, don't watch this vlog. It's not for you people. You people are not my target audience. Pick on. So what was I saying? Snap and send. You know those nice places on your body. Snap and send. You don't necessarily have to be all naked if you are like scared that you don't want to send a naked picture. Okay, that's totally fine. But you can wear something nice, something enticing, something that he will look back again. Okay, oh wow. Even if you are 20 years together, spike him up, let him salivate. As you do a dish, you don't just bring food and put whatever on top of it. No, you make it appetizing, because you know the eyes will first eat before the mouth. So entice your partner. Let me tell you people something. It's not compulsory that you have to wear like sexy night wear. Yes, sexy night wear is okay. You should have lots of them for some occasions, but it's not like compulsory. But please, I don't say you should go and wear Adieu Mama clothes to bed. No. But you see those light wrapper, those, I don't mean the thick ones, the over original wrapper, no. Those fake ones, those ones that they sell CC as 1,000. Yes, that's the one I'm talking about. Come buy them. Let it be neat though, don't tie a dirty wrapper, and let it be for his eyes only. Those light fake wrapper that is just fake. Tie it now. Don't make as in fold it or do whatever you want to do. Make it to be short. I don't know what you want to do, but let it shall be short. If you have kids running around the house, lock them in their room. Yes, I said it. Watch it in a room. If they're pulling that mountain, they should pull that mountain. You should enjoy your partner. If there are no kids in the house, good for you too. Enjoy your partner. Tie that your small wrapper. That the thing behind you just be moving like this. And don't wear anything under it though, for easy access. I'm not spoiled though, but that's the way it is. You see, during holidays, if you have kids, send them to their grandparents' house. Send them for holiday. Let them go for holiday so you enjoy your partner. Yes, if they're still little, still tender, put them in holiday lesson. Enjoy your partner. Because this life is not true. When you keep living life is like a fast track. It is not ending. They will tomorrow, that your small child will grow. Before you know it, every time there's activity, there's something always going on. So you have to create opportunity to have mad fun, to spice up your jolly life. If not, it will go down the drain. You say, why this man is no longer interested? It does not look like at me how he used to look at me before. It's because there's nothing to be interested in, or this woman is no longer interested. Before she was just a freak, but now she's has calmed down. It's because when you come back from work or when you come back home, you don't tell her nice things. You don't say nice things. Hey baby, you look good. Don't for me. Hey, shake it for daddy now. You don't say any nice thing. You just don't bring my food. Where is food? Or you're open. I've entered, I've come out. Sleep. Are you serious? There's no touching, there's no romance. Romance your partner. You see that thing that you're thinking in your head, do it to your partner. That thing you're imagining, do it with your partner and to your partner. Because if not, you keep imagining. And you keep imagining. Before you know it, time has passed. It's now a routine. Let me tell us ladies, we don't just jolly for children, no? You can also jolly to look younger and fresher and happier. If you see someone that jolly, that just jollied, that jolly well, the person is not angry for any reason. Like, the person is always happy. There's this kind of vibe. Like, when you come to the person, you be like, what did you do? If someone has asked you that before, tell me on my comment section below. Like, the person says, you did something. And you know it's true. I really did something. Like, when you do a very good thing, it calms your body down. But if not, you're always agitated. You are always hype. You are always angry. But when something is calming you down, when there's something that is calming you down, you are not the overpara. See these people that overpara too much, there's nothing that calms them down. Another way to spice up, we've talked about the dressing. Buy that wrapper. Then for your night wear, it doesn't have to be expensive. When I talk about things, I also consider some people cannot afford let it be too expensive. No, buy it to your capacity, but let it be neat. If your partner likes shave very well. Let it be as neat as this wall. Let everything be gone. If your partner does not like shaving your baby girl or your baby boy, please leave it for him there. Leave it for her there. Yes, everybody has preference. Don't be like, ew is whose name? Nobody's name. So if your partner does not like everything to be out, leave those green good grass growing in a very good, not over bushy. No. There's how you come to an open field that the grasses are not all out, but it's there, it's there and it's neat and it's well trimmed. Let your baby boy and baby girl be that well trimmed if your partner likes hers. Yes. Don't say because he or she likes hair, let it not be forest. What's up? It's a way to spice things up. It's be saying, hey, why is she no longer interested? Why is he no longer? It's because they have bush. I know bush can have a lot of insects inside. When you enter bush, do you know road to come out from? No. When you see bush, can you put your tongue inside bush? No. But when you see a good, smooth, you don't call it bush, but a well-trimmed environment. You can put everything. You can put your whole head inside it. then another way to spice up, my dear, I've told you guys, plan for your jolly jolly. You know, they have like days you don't plan for it. They have types of jolly jolly. They have angry jolly jolly, glad jolly jolly. I'll talk about that one in another vlog altogether, because that one is another different ballgame. But if you want to hear about types of jolly jolly, let me know in my comment section below. But if you don't want to hear, if you are shy to comment, we will not talk about it. We just use this one, that's it. And another thing is being excited. You know, some people can kill their partner's mood with their own mood. Per se, you are like this now, your partner is overhyped, overexcited. Hey baby, let's go down with this. You carry your own face and carry all your wahala. You ask me, is jolly jolly food? It's food though. On God, it's food. Not on God, but it's food. It's a good food, like it's delicacy. So don't say, is it all about jolly jolly? It's jolly jolly food. After you will get tired. You will not get tired. It's sweet. Yes, anybody that's telling you, you will get tired. Kete, story. Akko. Gist. You will not get tired. It is sweet. If you love your partner, if you are doing it with the right person, and if the person is giving it to you how it's meant to be given to, you will not get tired. 100 years, you will still be doing. Don't kill your partner's mood. Don't bring their mood from 1000 to 0. Your baby girl is out. She's with that fine wrapper, with that fine dress, with that skimpy clothes, giving you all those bend and pick something, flip hair, but nice body spray all over, everywhere just oozing nice. You now come back and say, what are you even doing like this? You deserve to be locked out of the house. I know there are some days that we are stressed, our partner is stressed. That is totally different. You and your partner should be in that level of understanding that, okay, you know this is going on, or you know this is not the right moment for it. That's why I said you plan your jolly jolly. You know when your partner is not in this moment, you plan it. You know how to set up the mood. And then another thing is, your bedroom should not be the only place for jolly jolly. Yes, they call it bedroom, bed and room. Bedroom is for sleeping. Yes, bed, room. What do you use bed for? Sleep. Lie down and sleep. That is what your bedroom is for. It's not for jolly jolly. So jolly everywhere. In your sitting room, in your balcony. Please don't go and jolly where people will see you. My hand picked are very little. You can jolly in your kitchen. You can jolly in your dining. You can jolly in your corridor. You know your house. You know how your house is. Jolly in every part of your house, that when you come out and look at it, you see a memory of your jolly. Yes, I said it. You heard it from me. Every part of your house, jolly everywhere, that when you look at the table in your sitting, you'll be like, hey, I can remember what I did here. It was hot. Hey, it's not every time everything is in your room. You will get bored. When you remember that, hey, in the kitchen, when the children were sleeping, we did this in our kitchen. You anticipate more. You will want to do another one. Yes, in your bathroom. Please don't follow. Yes, in the car. They just took the lights. Go to the back now. Wind up now. On the car now. On your AC now. If your car is now tinted, shoo, everything can remain. When you are driving in that car, and even when the kids are there, you and your husband can be making those small remarks like, or you and your guy can be making those remarks like, baby, did you remember that day? People will just look and smile. That is memories. Like, that is memories. You can spice up your jolly life by going on vacations. As I always say, it doesn't have to be overly expensive. Do the ones you can afford. Vacation can be Christmas. Vacation can be Easter. Go for that vacation, and while in the vacation, make sure you're jolly at every given point. Anywhere. That there's this fun and there's this rush. I don't know if it happens to someone else. There's this rush when you are doing something that you're not meant to do at this particular point. I don't know how to explain it. Oh, these people are coming. Hey, quick. Everybody just pretend and keep face. When you enter the room, now laugh. Spice it up. Then my ladies, you don't want down there to maybe when you finish sweating and all of that, you will now want to jolly with your husband. No. With your partner. No. When you, as someone that plans the jolly, if you are making the right plan 2 days before, even if you own the jolly before, but 2 days before, you started taking all those your pineapple juice, so that your baby girl will be that's nice scent. Yes, I know say you carry the pineapple juice and put in your baby girl. No be waiting I talk. But you see that pineapple juice, drink it. You see that pineapple, eat it. So everywhere could just cool. Everywhere could just it smells nice. Na. Always try to entice your partner. Sometimes you'll be like, after all these things, the man will still cheat. Do your own. You'll be like, after all these things, I can't still satisfy her. Do your own. Change it for him or her. When you are jollying, don't always allow your partner to be in control. Sometimes be in control. Sometimes take the lead. Sometimes do that thing that your partner don't expect. If you are the person that you always wait for your partner to make advance, try and make advance yourself. You will see your partner will be wow. Like, yeah, what happened? I like this one. Guys, you see jolly is sweet. Advantages of jolly: smooth skin, happiness, peace of mind, satisfaction, long life. Yes, I said it. You heard it from me first. Jolly gives everything positive. These are just few ways to spice up your jolly. Don't forget that as you're spicing up your jolly, let nobody see you. Be careful where you do it. Be careful with people that are around. If there are people around you, then look for another alternative. You know you can jolly inside elevator. Yes, you can. All the jolly does not have to last for 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 10 hours, 50 hours. Sometimes the jolly can just last for 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 2 minutes. Like, it's called something. Tell me what it's called. That fast jolly. Tell me what it's called in our comment section below. Yes, I want to know if you know, so we know. If I know you and I see you that you have tried this, I will know, because you start talking differently. I start acting funny around me. So, and if you see me tomorrow, don't ask me, honey, you say this, honey, you say that. I'll just face straight. Holy, holy, holy. They've just brought the light. Nonsense, people. There's no harm in spicing your jolly life up. Rather, it even brings more sweetness, more togetherness. You see some people that are very like that already advanced in age, but you see the woman looking fresh. You don't know what she's doing. You see the husband looking fresh and say, Daddy, mommy, you're looking fresh. You don't know what they're doing. Don't be boring. You know, every time you want to wear clothes, you wear and to reach your under your leg when you're in the house. For who? For what to start happening? See? Are you going for prayers? In the house, be a tease. Show him some cleavage. What are you using it for? Are you going to eat it? A happy man and a happy woman is a happy relationship. So guys, I'm going to end this vlog here. I'm sorry for the part that when the NEPA took the light. You guys know how it is. It's my country something, so I'm so sorry. My apologies. The power was cut off, yeah, for some time, and I was just using my ring light. And you guys know, Digest Naza, I don't overdo the one that will choke me, so I'm still going to post everything. I'm not going to go back and start from beginning. So please I'm apologizing in advance to people that will say and be like, why didn't you start from beginning? I'm not like that. This is my space. This is my world. So I do what I can do. And if you guys notice, it's night. Children are already sleeping. Tomorrow is school. So I want to go and sleep. Why did I make up? You guys want to know, right? How is my makeover, Sha? If you think about Jolly, how should we spice it up? How are you spicing your own up? When last did you do it? I want to know. Where last is it? What is the most exciting place you've done it? Let me know. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching my vlog today. Bye.